Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Samsung has unveiled three new phones in the Galaxy S26 series this year. The biggest difference between them comes down to a display technology we haven't seen before. Privacy Display, which is exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The display preserves full viewing quality from all directions when switched off. When activated, it limits visibility from side viewing angles, even when switching between portrait and landscape orientation. Alongside this hardware innovation, elements of agentic AI are available across the series. Youngsters in India want the best of everything. That's where the Galaxy S26 comes in with agentic AI, which will largely help them focus on outcomes. Raju Pullan, Senior VP, MX Business, Samsung India, told this newspaper. The Galaxy S26 series integrates a choice of agents, including Bixby, Gemini, and Perplexity. Once set up, tasks can be completed with a single button press or voice prompt. Samsung's Bixby Assistant has been updated into a more conversational device agent, making it easier than ever to interact with Galaxy devices. The Galaxy S26 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 mobile platform for Galaxy, which delivers top-tier performance, with significant gains across CPU, GPU and NPU to support faster, smoother experiences throughout the day. Samsung claims a CPU performance increase of up to 19%, meaning the Galaxy S26 Ultra responds more quickly and handles complex workloads intelligently, even when multiple tasks are running at once. A 39% improvement in NPU performance powers always-on Galaxy L features that run seamlessly. A 24% boost in GPU performance delivers richer visuals and more fluid gameplay. The other two phones, Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Joe, are powered by the Exynos 2600 processor. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is built around the camera, and the Galaxy S26 series brings the element of agentic AI. The premium smartphone era is being redefined with these new phones, said Pullan. When asked about his favorite feature on the new devices, Pullan points to Privacy Display. That's truly cutting edge. It brings innovation on both the hardware and software fronts. It reflects Samsung's technological prowess in building distinctive technologies. Another feature that interests him is Now Nudge. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also introduces a redesigned vapor chamber, with thermal interface material positioned along the sides of the processor, allowing heat to spread more efficiently across a larger surface area. This improves heat dissipation and keeps the device cool and consistent, even during demanding activities such as gaming, multitasking, and video capture. To support all-day use, the Galaxy S26 Ultra also features super fast charging 3.0, minimizing downtime by reaching up to 75% charge in just 30 minutes.